Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've hit the GROK rate limit, and you're frustrated because you can't get any more responses. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset it. Step 1. First, you need to understand what's happening. GROK has usage limits that reset on a daily or monthly basis depending on your subscription tier. When you hit that limit, you get blocked from making more requests for a set period of time. Step 2. Check your current subscription status by going to your account settings. Look for the usage dashboard, which shows exactly how many requests you've made and when your limit resets. This transparency helps you understand where you stand. Step 3. If you're on a free tier, the fastest way to reset is to upgrade to a paid plan. Paid subscribers get higher limits and quicker reset times, sometimes even hourly resets instead of daily ones. Step 4. Once you've upgraded or confirmed your tier, navigate to your API settings or preferences page. Look for any option that says reset usage or clear limits. Sometimes there's a manual reset button available. Step 5. If none of those options work, you can contact GROK support directly through your account. They can manually reset your limit in some cases, especially if you've had technical issues or billing problems. Always be honest about why you need the reset, and they'll usually help you out pretty quickly.